जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी. um, I'm making a video here to present um, the implementation of the final assignment on Nmap. Um, um, my name is Hadi Hassan, roll number 231469272. Yes. So the context is that each of these statements have been run on Kali Linux, as you can see, on my machine. And what I've done is taken screenshots of all of the commands, and then I have made and then I put it on a Word file and their explanations as well. So the initial command was nmap lums, nmap and any IP address. So what it does is it returns it does the scan of the IP and then returns the report. The second command, nmap, does it on two IPs and returns the reports. Yeah, it does a scan of two IPs, the LUMS and the Moodle one of Pepsi College, and then returns the scan report. Then you have nmap il, which essentially does it generates the report. No, what it does is it takes uh, the text file which I've stored on my desktop, and inside the text file I put uh, the the address of LUMS, and what it has done is it has gone into the text file on the desktop and taken the IP address and done a scan on that. So yeah. Then you have the pn command, which essentially does is it only performs a ping scan or ping scan on the address and then returns the report. You have the pn command, which so the previous one was the sp command, which returns the pin scan, and then you had the pn command, which does not do the ping scan. The pu command essentially it does a UDP ping, but it has not allowed us to do it because only works if I am the root, which I'm not. Furthermore, you have the -f, which sends fragment packets to the address, and I've not been able to do it because I don't have root privileges. BATSUM sends BATS checksums to the IP, which has been done here. The source port, in the source port, you manually specify the port. So port 80 for the LUMS address, and then it goes and attacks the port. It generates the scans. The -O is the operating system detection, which I have, which detects the operating system on the IP address, but it also requires root privileges, so I have not been able to get it. I don't have it, that's why. SR does the RPC scan of the IP address. It has done the scan and returned the information. You have the OS scan guess, which attempts um, to guess the unknown operating system. But unfortunately, I don't have root privileges for that. The ON scan, what it does is it takes this, what it does is it puts the scan of the IP address and then saves it into the it creates a text file and then puts the report into that. So as you can see on the background here, it has been created the text file and stored it into that. The ON XML, the ON XML, what it has done is it has taken the what it has done is taken the report and then put it into the and then XML file and then put it onto the desktop. It has created the XML file. It has taken the report and put into it, and here you can see it on the desktop. Here the OG gray is given, and what has happened is that it created the text file and import the grayable output of the IP address into it. And you can see it here. Okay, so end difference, what it does is it takes the both, it just sees the difference in the report generated in these two files, so scan XML and LXML. And yes, that has been the entire assignment. Thank you.